In this problem, a company's net income is modeled by the function f of x equals 9x squared minus 54x minus 144, where x is the number of units sold. How many units must be sold for the company to have a net income of 0? The net income is the f of x part, the x is the number of units sold. So we can set that equal to 0. Now, if you have a calculator, you can just type this in and then see where it crosses the x-axis. Those would be your zeros. If you do not, then you'd have to factor it out. So I'm going to start by seeing if I can pull out a greatest common factor so that my a term is 1 instead of 9. In this case, it looks like all the coefficients are multiples of 9. We have 9 times 1, 9 times 6, and 9 times 16. So I'm just going to divide everything by 9, including the 0. And that's going to leave me with 0 equals x squared minus 6x minus 16. Now, this is a lot easier to factor. So we'd say what times what makes x, x times x. What times what gives us a negative times a positive. And then what times what makes 16, but also adds up to negative 6. Well, that could be 8 and 2, which are 6 apart. So I'll make the 8 the negative part and the 2 the positive part. So we have the quantity x minus 8 times the quantity x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to find when each of these factors is equal to 0. X minus 8 equals 0 when x equals positive 8. And x plus 2 equals 0 when x equals negative 2. In this case, because they're asking for the number of units you need to sell, you can't sell a negative number of units. So we know our answer is not going to be negative 2, which means our only answer is 8 units.